You must be new. Welcome to the company. My name's Ted. I'm the boss. If you know what you're doing and do what I say, we will get along just fine. Today we will go to 2 demolition sites, 1 commercial and 1 residential. Your job is to make sure these jobs are done safely and sustainably. Let's start by visiting the commercial site. I want to make sure you know what you are doing. Follow me. Well, you did okay today. There's room for improvement, but you seem to know your stuff.
I'm Sean, and I'm a programmer on the Demolition project. I'm working on these residential scenes over here. I'll zoom in on it a bit, where the boss sort of comes in and takes you around a house, and you talk about taking a skylight out and a wall out at the back so that you can, because they want to put an extension on.
I'm Justin, I'm one of the programmers. I work on both the back end where the results and users are saved and the Unity code. At the moment I'm running an occlusion cull which hopefully will help speed up the rendering time, and just looking over a couple of bugs in the C# script.
I'm Craig, the project manager, lead programmer for Ostrom. At the moment, we're just trying to get some animations working properly without importing from Max into Unity correctly. Yeah, it's been very painful, which is quite often difficulty actually getting the animations and models to work correctly once you bring them into Unity.
Hey, I'm Joe, I'm a 3D artist. I've been brought on probably 2/3 into the project. My main role is to model and texture 3D geometry and to animate.
And what's it like working with teachers?
Really good. We're lucky that we've got a really positive relationship with Daniel Benici at Victoria University, and we've worked with him on projects over the last few years. So he's always willing to give up his time, and he also understands the medium as well, and he understands what is possible and what isn't.